The Golden Bridge. Are you currently in the UK on a health and care worker visa, but the constant policy changes and the long 5-year wait for residency are making you feel uneasy? What if I told you that your UK experience is actually your golden ticket to a faster, more stable life in Ireland? Today, I'm showing you the exact roadmap to move from the UK to Ireland in 2026. We're talking about how your NVQs are recognised, how to skip the 5-year residency wait, and most importantly, how to find employers who will sponsor you and your family. If you're ready to trade your UK BRP for an Irish Stamp 4, let's dive in. Qualification mapping. No retraining needed. The biggest fear I see in our comments is, do I have to study again? The answer is almost always a no. For caregivers, if you have a UK NVQ level 2 or 3 in health and social care, this is generally recognised as equivalent to Ireland's QQI level 5. Irish nursing homes love UK-trained caregivers because you already know the standards of care. For nurses, if you are already on the NMC register in the UK, your path to the NMBI in Ireland is much smoother. Your clinical hours in the NHS or UK private sector are fully recognised, which often places you higher on the Irish salary scale from day one. The residency cheat code. The big motivation. This is the part that surprises everyone. In the UK, you usually wait 5 years for indefinite leave to remain. In Ireland, if you are on a critical skills employment permit, which most nurses and senior caregivers qualify for, you can apply for a Stamp 4 visa after just 21 months. Stamp 4 means you no longer need a sponsor. You can work for anyone, start a business, and you're well on your way to Irish citizenship. It is one of the fastest residency pathways in Europe right now. Finding the sponsors. No fee method. So, how do you find these sponsors? First, look at the HSE, Health Service Executive. They are the Irish NHS and they recruit globally. Second, look at large private groups like Molom Healthcare or CareChoice. When you apply, your CV must scream UK experience. Put your NHS or UK care home experience at the very top. Pro tip: use agencies like CPL Healthcare or Kate Cowhig. These are zero-fee agencies for the candidate. They are paid by the hospitals, not by you. Never pay an agent thousands of pounds for an Irish job. The family and relocation factor. Unlike the recent UK restrictions, Ireland still has strong pathways for family reunification. If you come in on a critical skills permit, your spouse can join you and, in many cases, they get a visa that allows them to work immediately without needing their own sponsorship. It's a game changer for families. Action and conclusion. The grass isn't just greener in Ireland. The path to residency is faster. If you want my curated list of the top 5 no-fee agencies for Ireland, I've put the links in the description below. If you're in the UK right now and planning this move, comment Ireland 2026, so I know to make a part 2 on the cost of living comparison. Don't forget to subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global for more visa roadmaps. I'll see you in the next one.